2 in California. I'm currently getting ready. My makeup is not fully done, which is why I look so weird. So today we're going to get some lunch at the packing district in Anaheim, and then we're gonna go pick up our lanyards from the Kawaii Slime show so that we don't have to do it tomorrow. And then we're gonna head to the Huntington Beach and then go have dinner at Sandy's, which is right there. And I'm so excited. I look super pale in this lighting right now, but I swear I'm not. There we go. We are now in Anaheim, Packing District, and it is so cool in here. It's like super cute. But yeah, me and my sister are saving seats right now until Alyssa, Sean, and Kim get their foods, and then we're gonna get ours. It's exciting. My lip is still kind of like, there's like a cold sore on it, and it hurts. Super excited to eat because I am hungry. It is currently 12:33, so it'll be my first meal of the day, even though I had chips in the morning, I guess. But baby cries. I'll see you later with my food. So first off, we're gonna get chicken and waffles from Georgia's. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yes. Chicken and waffle. Maybe some Cajun fries as well. Not sure. Yes, fire. Excited to eat? Are you excited to eat? So we're here. We're getting this meat tray. We got brisket and pork belly. We got our meat tray. This is the brisket, pork belly, sauces, Asian mac salad, and sauce. We also got chicken and waffles. Yum. Okay, we're gonna eat now. I used to like the rest. Whoa! What is this called? What is this called? Taro milk tea with rainbow cloud. We are at the hotel right now, the Hilton, and we're retrieving our tickets for the show tomorrow. So guys, we picked up our lanyards. Whee! Isn't it so cute? The thought put into this though. And we're actually at Daiso right now. We're going to buy some stuff and then go to the beach. Okay, I'm gonna get a drink. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. I'm like so dehydrated here. Constantly need to drink something. This is what we bought. I'm getting this grape Ramune drink and water and Hello Panda as a snack. We are walking to Huntington Beach and it is so beautiful already. busy, so I don't know, but I am planning to eat there. Hey guys, now we're waiting to be seated at Sandy's. We just decided to reserve a spot before hitting the beach. I need to live here. I want to move here. I'm serious, I'm gonna move here. Look at this beach, man. Look at this beach. Oh, look at her. And look at this beach. Like, it's so beautiful. Just looking at it makes me so happy. Sitting right next to... Okay guys, we got seated, but the sun's down. Oh, when we were in the bathroom, the sun set, so it's not even that sunny. We're sitting right next to the window. Super nice, super breezy, easy. Beautiful cover girl. So our clam chowder came out. It came out in the sourdough bowl and this thing. I like it a lot. Oh, is this moving? Yeah. Is there an Oh my god. What? It's gonna stop, right? I'm getting nauseous. Did you guys feel that? It's like, no, not you guys. The vlog. It's over, is it? Why is it not over? Hold on. So we're officially done eating. We're getting our checks. We're paying it. And then we are going. So we're gonna go back to our car. Then we're gonna go home, shower, and prepare for tomorrow. We have a long day tomorrow. Unfortunately, we couldn't go out to the beach today, but it's okay. We're going to some other beach another time. Anyway, that concludes today's vlog. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye!